Ever dreamt of diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency? Maybe you've heard whispers of legendary creatures like the Kraken, a mythical beast said to lurk in the ocean depths. But what if I told you there's a very real Kraken out there, and it's not a monster, but a massive cryptocurrency exchange? Introduction, 010 to 030. Intrigued? Well, buckle up crypto-curious comrades, because today we're diving headfirst into the Kraken exchange. We'll be exploring the depths of its features, its fees, and most importantly for many new users, how you can actually fund your Kraken account. So, if you've been wondering, does Kraken accept PayPal? Then fear not, brave adventurers, because we're about to unearth the answer. Traditional payment methods on Kraken, 030 to 130. Now, before we get to the nitty-gritty of PayPal, let's take a quick tour of the more traditional payment methods Kraken offers. For those who prefer to stick to the tried and true, Kraken allows bank transfers. This is a great option for larger deposits, but keep in mind it can take a few business days for the funds to clear. There's also the option of wire transfers, which are generally faster but often come with higher fees. Fiat deposit options, 1:30 to 2 o'clock. But what if you're looking for something a little more instant? Kraken also supports a number of fiat deposit options, which basically means depositing regular, government-issued currency like your local naira. This can be done through various third-party processors, allowing you to fund your account with debit or credit cards. However, be aware that these third-party deposits often come with additional fees, so be sure to check the rates before you commit. So, about PayPal. 2 to 215. All right, enough with the traditional stuff. I know what you're really here for, the PayPal question. And the answer is, no, Kraken does not currently accept PayPal as a direct deposit method. Why no PayPal? 215 to 245. Now, you might be wondering why. There are a few reasons. Firstly, PayPal can be quite strict when it comes to cryptocurrency transactions. They might see it as a risky business and limit accounts associated with crypto exchanges. Additionally, transaction fees on PayPal can be quite high, which wouldn't be ideal for either Kraken or its users. Alternative payment methods for the impatient, 245 to 315. But fear not, crypto comrades. If you're eager to start your Kraken journey and PayPal is your go-to payment method, there are a couple of workarounds. The first option is to use a debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account. While Kraken itself might not accept PayPal directly, you can use your PayPal balance to fund your debit card and then use that card to deposit on Kraken. Just remember, this might involve additional fees from both PayPal and your card issuer. The crypto loophole, 315 to 4 o'clock. Another option, for the more adventurous crypto enthusiasts out there, is what some call the crypto loophole. Here's the idea. You can purchase a different cryptocurrency on an exchange that does accept PayPal, like Coinbase. Then, you transfer that cryptocurrency to your Kraken account and trade it for the crypto you actually want. It's a bit of a roundabout way, but for some users, the convenience of using PayPal might outweigh the extra steps. Security first always. 4 to 415. No matter which method you choose, remember security is paramount. Always double-check the legitimacy of any third-party processors you use, and make sure you're aware of any associated fees before you commit. Kraken support your best friend, 415 to 430. If you're ever unsure about anything deposit-related, Kraken has a fantastic customer support team. Their website has a comprehensive FAQ section, and you can also reach out to them directly through their online chat or support ticket system. Conclusion, 430 to 445. So, there you have it, crypto comrades. While Kraken doesn't accept PayPal directly, there are alternative methods to fund your account and start your cryptocurrency adventure.